Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jamalmehmood and I am expert of the WordPress developer. Today I will teach you how to create a banner and add a overlay in Divi theme. So let's start the video. And first you can open your WordPress website and then you can edit the page. Click with edit with Elementor, and after that you can click browse layout, or we can click the start building, and after that we can click two rows. That's it. First we can upload background image. Re-upload it, select edit and go for design, go for the spacing, and we can add 100 pixel and pose no, and go 300 top and bottom. So now we can add a overlay. Click again, click the background and click the purple. Click the background image. Scroll down background image normal, change to the overlay. Overlay is implemented. Now we can decrease the opacity. Scroll down, click the color, and it overlay is implemented successfully. Now we can add title. Save it. Click again, go for the designing, heading, scroll down and click with center, change the color and scroll up and use the opens and go for the bold. Increase the size, maybe 40 is enough. Save it. That's look good. Now we can add text and we can add dummy text. So click again, go for the text, change the font family. We can use open sense, regular. Scroll down. First we can go for the center. Scroll up, we can change the font, change the color. Now it will look good. We can go for the spacing, can change the spacing from left to right, maybe 40, 12% on both sides, maybe 50% both sides. So it will look good. Now we can add one button. Add button. Name it, contact us. So for the designing, alignment center. Go for the button module. Okay, change the color. In pixel. Let's look good. Scroll down, and we can change the font. Pop in for the button as well. Save it. Save. Now we can view the website. New tab. So the banner is completed successfully with overlay. So I hope you can like this video. If you can like this video, please share, comments and like, so you will receive upcoming video. See you soon. Bye bye.